Hey guys, Brian Davies here, Bodyworks Plus. Just over at the new location, 216 West 24th Street. Again, it's Bodyworks Plus collision repair. I've been in Charlotte for over 23, just trying to show the progress of the new collision shop and do a couple of videos to document everything. So I'm gonna just kind of walk through the shop and show you the progress of things right now. We're still waiting on permitting and some of the cleanup that's going on right now, just as far as getting the building demoed. Flip the camera around here to kind of give you an idea of the progress of the shop. Got a little bit of a asbestos issue in the windows that had to be addressed, so they're out here today mitigating that and pulling all the windows out of the building. So we're gonna have to close that up and get that done. Which, as old as this building is, I feel pretty lucky that we didn't have really more issues than that when it came to asbestos. A couple of small things in the building. I'm just gonna walk through again, kind of show the progress of everything in the building. These are going to be the offices. The main door here, lines are marked out on the floor. Basically, I'm standing in my office here. I have a waiting room. All the cut concrete here is for plumbing. One of the guys, Benjamin, here helping with us. This was an area in the floor that just was, concrete was low, so we cut that out, similar to that there, this other area. And again, the guys are here pulling the windows out. There was a little bit of asbestos, I guess, in the caulking around the windows. GFS delivered the paint booths yesterday. Excited about that. I've got a ton of boxes of equipment here. And again, this is the marks, the areas for the pits in the floor. The long channels here are for the track system I'm going to put in. So you'll be able to have a car in the middle of the booths, and with a quick roll-up door, slide the car into the booth on the right or the left, which would be really nice, and then have an area to prep in the center between the booths. This area here that they're digging out is, we're going to put some helicoil supporting concrete in here to support this, because we're going to cut out this whole section in the middle here and get rid of that fire-rated door. So we'll have a really nice drive-through in the whole shop. Ordered a couple of mics, but hadn't been able to get them in yet, so apologize for the sound. It's probably not great, but you know, just learning how to get these videos put together, and I think it's great to you know, document everything with it. Byron over here working on he's an electrical guy helping us get all this put together. The genius behind it. Yeah, and again, just areas in the floor that were kind of wavy and thin. We're gonna cut this out, or cut it out and re-concrete it to make it level and give it a little more strength. And this is the other side. So this area is going to be the body side, and the other side obviously is paint, but we'll have the two frame machines down at the far end, and still outlining everything. I think we're going to have parts delivery and intake here. This area here, I'm thinking we'll make it offices, or basically like a waiting room, or not a waiting room, I'm sorry, but a kitchen with a conference room kind of mixed in with this, which would be kind of neat. And this will be an area that we can have meetings and do a nice kitchen in here. And again, you can see downtown through the trees there. It's not far. This was cool. I'm going to leave this in here. It's like a little mini door that was welded closed that leads into the other part of the shop here. Thinking about doing a little speakeasy downtown, open on the weekends, and we're going to use that door to kind of as the walk through to the private area, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Just again, Brian Davies, Bodyworks Plus. Been in Charlotte for about 24 years now, and just really excited about this new location. It's going to be special. There's no doubt about it. We're certified in a bunch of brands of cars, and Charlotte's been a great town for us. I'm just really looking forward to getting into this bigger space and, enjoying having a little room to load up more cars. My current shop's about 7,000, and this is going to be about 17. So it should be a really nice improvement. So hope you enjoyed it. You know, again, I'm new at the whole YouTube video thing, so quality or the sound's not great. I apologize, but just kind of getting some things in order, and hopefully as time goes on, I'll improve. So appreciate it. Take care. Talk to you guys soon.